Okay, so what I have are two TGO boards, one to be programmed as the controller for the remote control. This is version 2, there's version 1, and it's connected to this computer running Arduino, but it's expecting a second TTGO board to be transmitting, which I don't have it plugged in yet. So if I reset this, you can see that it processes part of the code, which we'll share in a little bit. But it's effectively just waiting. Now, if I give this TTGO board power by plugging it in, what you can see is it starts processing. Now those values aren't changing for what it's sending. I've just hard-coded some numbers in there. And you can see that it's getting a reply and replying. You can see that sending from tractor and a number, this is just a sequential number that iterates, and it's showing up over here. And if this were to lose connection, obviously it stops there and it shows the last transaction from that board being number 52. Now, I think, unfortunately, if I plug that back in, it kicks back off. Let's reset the sequential number. The sequential number's changed over here. I don't think I've updated the code well enough so that if this board were to go out of range, let's see if I disconnect this, and so it's no longer sending anything. This is still processing, but it's still trying to send, which I guess is okay, but I just need to improve the code to the next level.